Welcome to today's AI revolution. Feels like every time you blink, there's some crazy new development.
I know, right?
We've got AI making these amazing 4K videos, companies building whole AI networks on blockchains and like whispers, right, of AI agents with, get this, PhD-level intelligence.
It's insane. The pace of innovation is mind-blowing, really.
Buckle up, everybody, because today's deep dive is going to be a wild ride.
Absolutely. Hold on tight.
Okay, so let's break it down.
Okay.
First up, we've got Google dropping a bombshell with VO2.
Ah, VO2, yeah.
This thing can create a full 4K video, a full-blown video,
Yeah.
from like just a few words you type in.
It's incredible. It's not just like piecing together old footage either.
Right.
VO2 is actually generating brand new video with like, realistic movements, and you can even control the virtual camera.
Well, wait, hold on a sec.
Yeah.
Think about that for a second.
I know, right?
Filmmakers, advertisers, educators, YouTubers, anyone could use this to make high-quality video content.
Absolutely.
That's a potential game changer.
Huge. For anyone working with video.
It really is.
Definitely a major leap forward in AI video generation.
For sure.
And speaking of shaking things up, we got to talk about Sentient AGI.
Oh, right. Sentient AGI.
Yeah.
This startup, founded by, Sandeep Nailwal, he's a big name in crypto, they're building their AI solutions on the blockchain. Blockchain technology.
This is super fascinating to me.
Yeah.
This decentralized approach, it could make AI development much more transparent and potentially give us more control over, how these systems are actually built and then like how they're used.
Interesting.
It's a direct challenge to the, the big tech companies that are kind of dominating the AI landscape right now.
Yeah, they're going right after the giants with their Minimax O1 LLM family.
Minimax, yeah.
It's designed for understanding text and visuals.
Powerful stuff.
Ambitious move. Really ambitious.
It really is.
Be interesting to see how they do.
Especially considering the resources and data that companies like Google and OpenAI have.
Right.
But the potential benefits of decentralized AI, huge.
It's a bold strategy for sure.
Yeah.
Okay, now for the big one.
Oh, here we go.
Reports are suggesting that OpenAI is about to unveil AI agents with PhD-level intelligence.
I've heard about this.
PhD-level.
PhD-level. Yeah, this raises some really, really profound questions.
For sure.
We're talking about AI that could potentially conduct really complex research, analyze data on an unprecedented scale, maybe even make high-level decisions.
Wow.
Yeah, wow.
Okay, so here's where it gets really interesting and maybe a little unsettling.
Yeah.
Could these AI agents actually replace human experts in certain fields? It's a big question.
That's a huge question.
Join the debate. Tag us on social media or at AI for the People. Use the hashtag #ADebate.
Yeah, get involved.
You want to hear your thoughts?
We do. It's such an important conversation to have. It highlights the importance of being informed about all these, these developments.
Yeah.
We need to be thinking critically about how this tech is developed and, and then deployed.
Couldn't agree more. It's not just about the cool factor,
Right.
It's about understanding the potential impact on our lives, our jobs, our future.
Exactly. Our whole world is going to change.
I know, it's crazy.
It's both the incredible possibilities and the potential risks.
Yeah.
And ensuring that we're using it responsibly and ethically.
We can't just bury our heads in the sand and pretend this isn't happening.
We can't, no.
It's AI revolution is here.
It's here.
And it's moving fast.
It's moving so fast.
It's exciting to follow.
Absolutely. Exhilarating.
But it's also a time for careful consideration and, thoughtful dialogue.
We need to talk about it. Absolutely.
So while we're grappling with the implications of PhD-level AI, let's not forget that the companies driving this revolution, they rely heavily on some serious hardware.
Oh, yeah. The hardware is essential.
Absolutely. And that brings us to NVIDIA.
NVIDIA, yeah.
A company that's quietly become the powerhouse behind much of the AI boom.
The engine, really?
Yeah. While they might not be making the same, splashy headlines with new products,
right,
their GPUs are the engines that power much of the AI development and training that's happening today.
Yeah, think of GPUs as specialized computer chips.
Okay.
Designed for handling the massive amounts of data and complex calculations that AI algorithms require.
Right. So they're essential.
NVIDIA is the undisputed leader in this space, yeah.
Their stock performance is a pretty good indicator of just how much excitement there is around AI.
Yeah, the investors are definitely paying attention.
That's for sure, for good reason.
AI AI has the potential to transform, like, almost every aspect of our lives.
It really does.
I mean, think about it. Healthcare, transportation, entertainment.
Everything.
Everything. It's truly a transformative technology.
It is. And speaking of transformative,
yeah.
let's circle back to those incredible advancements we're seeing in AI video generation.
Video generation, right?
I mean, Google's VO2 is getting a lot of attention.
It is, yeah.
But it's actually part of a much larger trend.
Absolutely. There are other companies out there.
You know, like Stability AI.
Stability AI, they're pushing the boundaries in this area, too, focusing on, like, the ethical and creative applications of AI for content creation.
Yeah.
They're exploring how AI can be used to generate video content in a way that is both responsible and innovative.
Okay, I like that.
Yeah.
Responsible and innovative.
It's a tough balance.
It is, but it's mind-blowing to think about how this technology could change the way we create and consume video content.
Yeah.
The possibilities really are endless.
Endless. We're already seeing AI being used to create everything from, like, marketing videos to short films. And as the technology keeps evolving, we can expect, like, even more creative and groundbreaking applications.
That's an exciting time to be following this field.
It's a great time to be alive.
But with all this talk of AI-generated video and, super intelligent agents,
right,
it's important to remember there are some serious ethical considerations.
We can't just ignore that.
Yeah.
The development of, PhD-level AI agents raises profound questions about the future of work, education, even the nature of intelligence itself.
It's a double-edged sword, right?
Yeah, it is.
On one hand, we have the potential for incredible advancements in, medicine, scientific research, countless other fields.
We could solve so many problems.
But on the other hand, we have to deal with the potential for job displacement, even misuse of these powerful AI agents.
Absolutely. It's a classic example of how, technological advancements come with benefits and risks.
Right, yeah.
And it highlights the need for these open and honest conversations about how to develop and deploy these tools responsibly.
We can't just ignore the potential downsides.
No, absolutely not.
We need to be proactive in shaping the future of AI.
Proactive, not reactive, yeah.
Not just reacting to whatever comes our way.
Exactly. And that starts with, awareness and education.
Education.
The more we understand about how this technology works,
the better
equipped we'll be to navigate the challenges and opportunities that it presents.
Absolutely. Well said.
It's, that's why these platforms are so important, to be able to discuss these complex issues.
Right.
And, encourage people to think critically about the role of AI in our society.
Exactly. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to something like, as transformative as AI.
Oh, yeah.
We've covered a lot of ground today. Google's VO2, Sentient AGI's blockchain approach.
Yeah, a lot.
OpenAI's, mind-blowing PhD-level agents. It feels like we're on the cusp of something massive.
We are. It feels huge.
But, what does it all mean?
Yeah.
For the average person?
That's the million-dollar question, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think the most important takeaway here is that AI it's not a futuristic concept anymore.
It's around.
It's here.
It's here.
It's evolving really rapidly.
So fast.
And it's already having a significant impact on, how we live our lives.
On everything.
Everything, from the way we work and shop to, how we consume information, entertain ourselves. AI is changing the game.
AI is changing everything.
It really is.
And that pace of change is only going to get faster. What could we even do to prepare?
It's a good question, I think. Yeah. First and foremost, just embrace the idea of lifelong learning.
Lifelong learning, yeah.
The skills that are in high demand today, they might be obsolete tomorrow,
Crazy to think about.
The ability to adapt, learn new things, be flexible, that's going to be crucial.
Yeah, that's great advice for any field.
It is.
Especially tech.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
So what else can we do?
Okay.
To thrive in this environment?
Develop those critical thinking skills.
Critical thinking, yeah.
Don't just blindly accept everything an AI system tells you.
Right.
You've got to question the information, think about the source, be aware of, potential biases, limitations.
It's such an important point.
It is, yeah.
AI can be an incredible tool.
Powerful tool.
But it's not a magic bullet,
No, it's not.
We need to be, discerning consumers of information.
Absolutely.
Regardless of where it comes from.
Whether it's a human or an AI.
Yeah, exactly.
And finally, stay engaged.
Engaged.
In the conversation. Yeah, don't be afraid to, ask questions.
Ask questions.
Share your thoughts. Contribute to the ongoing dialogue about the implications of AI.
Right. Use your voice.
Your voice matters, absolutely. And through, collective discussion and debate.
Yeah.
That's how we'll shape the future of this technology.
That's a great point. Well said. I mean, we're all in this together, right?
We are.
The future of AI, it's not predetermined. It's something that we're actively creating through our choices, through our actions.
Every decision we make, yeah.
And it's crucial that we make those choices with awareness, with foresight.
With responsibility.
And a commitment to, using this technology for good.
Absolutely. I realize we've, covered a lot of complex information today.
Yeah.
But I want to end, on a note of optimism.
Okay, I liked it.
While AI definitely presents, some challenges,
sure,
it also has the potential to address some of humanity's most pressing problems.
That's true.
Climate change, disease, poverty, inequality, the list goes on.
I love that perspective, focusing on the possibilities.
Yeah.
While acknowledging and, mitigating the risks.
Finding that balance.
Innovation and responsibility.
Exactly. And it's through, informed discussion, ethical development practices, and thoughtful regulation. That's how we'll unlock AI's full potential.
To make the world a better place.
For the betterment of humanity, yeah.
Couldn't agree more. Now, before we wrap up, I just want to remind everyone to check out the show notes.
Yeah, good idea.
Links to all the resources we talked about today.
All the good stuff.
And don't forget to join the conversation online. #ADebate.
#ADebate.
Let us know what you think.
We want to hear from you.
We are at AI for the People.
That's right.
On all your favorite social media platforms.
Come say hi.
So come share your thoughts, ask your questions. Let's keep exploring this fascinating world of AI together.
It's an incredible journey. Glad to have you all along for the ride. It's mind-boggling when you think about it.
I know, right? How far we've come.
In such a short time.
Just a few years.
AI that can create, photorealistic videos from scratch.
From nothing.
To AI agents that could potentially work alongside humans. At a PhD level, it feels like we're living in the future,
I know, it's crazy.
It's wild.
And the thing is, this is just the beginning.
I'm just getting started. We've only just scratched the surface of what AI can do.
And that's what makes it so exciting.
It's so exciting, yeah.
And maybe a little daunting.
A little bit, yeah. It's that mix of, possibility and uncertainty that keeps us all on the edge of our seats.
For sure.
But I think it's important to remember that we have a say in this.
We do.
In how this future unfolds.
Absolutely. It's not something that's just going to happen to us.
No.
It's something that we are actively shaping.
We're creating it.
Through the choices we make.
Right.
The conversations we have, the actions we take.
Every single day, yeah.
It's a collaborative effort, really.
It really is.
So as we wrap up this deep dive into the AI revolution, okay? I love a good call to action. So what's the call to action?
All right, so here's the call to action. Stay curious.
Be curious.
Stay informed.
Okay.
And stay engaged.
I like it.
Don't be afraid to ask questions.
Mm-hmm.
Challenge assumptions. Right. Be part of the conversation.
Your voice matters.
Your voice matters, absolutely.
Yeah.
Remember, the future of AI, it's a collaborative effort.
We said it.
It's up to all of us. To make sure that it's a future that benefits humanity.
As a whole.
The whole of humanity, yeah.
Absolutely. So keep learning, keep exploring, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Who knows? Maybe you'll be the one creating the next, mind-blowing AI breakthrough.
That's an inspiring thought.
It is. It's exciting.
And speaking of inspiring, don't forget to smash that like button.
Hit that like button.
Subscribe to the channel and follow us on social media.
Yeah, come find us.
At AI for the People. For your daily dose of AI news, insights, and discussions.
We've got you covered.
We do. Until next time, keep your minds open and your algorithms running.
That's a good one. I like that.
And remember, the future of AI is in our hands.
It's up to us.